Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kris here with Keeping Up with Kris, and this week y'all are going to kill me, okay? Because I took a break, I never got to show you guys my April BoxyCharm before my May one, before I get it. So I haven't gotten my May one yet, so I was like, let me hurry up and show them what I got in my BoxyCharm. So first of all, I'm not even gonna make y'all wait. Let's go ahead and jump right into it, but y'all know the deal. Now is a time where you should hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you do not miss a video, okay? I got a lot of fun stuff, y'all, is coming, and I don't want y'all to miss it, okay? I do not want y'all to miss it. Join the Kris Krew, hit that subscribe button so you never miss it, okay, sis? Okay? Sure, you got one job, okay? You got one job. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. Okay, so let's open this up. So we got our BoxyCharm Sweet Treats information card. So let's start at the top of the card. So the first thing here is a Natasha Denona, the Ayana eyeshadow palette. So if y'all will be interested in seeing my favorite palettes that I have gotten from BoxyCharm the last like year or so, please let me know in the comment section below. That would really help me understand what type of content y'all are interested in from me. Okay, so this is the Natasha Denona Ayana palette. And one thing I like about Natasha Denona palettes, the ones that I've gotten from BoxyCharm, is they all come in this very sleek, small packaging. So we got 4 colors: Harlow, Lash Line, Satin Skin, Crease, and Glam Green. That's what these colors are. And this retails at $48, y'all, which I think is really good, because you guys know I got a Natasha Denona palette from BoxyCharm before, and the colors have really good color payoff, and they don't really crease. So I'm a fan of that, because I need to do the least amount of steps possible, if you know what I mean. So this is easy to pack too. Like, you see how this fits in your hand? If you're going somewhere or you need to pack a beauty, but you don't want to take a whole lot of products, this will be a Natasha Denona palette. It's going to be your go-to. And when they sent it, it came in like a cardboard box to keep it from, I guess, breaking, which I appreciate. So always love getting Natasha Denona. So the next thing is the Studio Makeup Tinted Moisturizer. And so I am interested in tinted moisturizers right now. I just got the Fenty Eavesdrop, which I will be doing a review on. I know, I'm late, but what can I say? This retails at $35, and this is what it looks like. So it's kind of giving like just a little pump that you can pump out. And I'm actually gonna, I know I got on a black shirt, but I'm actually gonna put this on my wrist so that you guys can see it. Yeah, so this is the color that they gave me, which is surprisingly a really good representation of my skin tone. And this is a light to medium coverage, and it also has hyaluronic acid in it for the skin to combine hydrating skincare benefits with lightweight coverage. So let's see. This is what it looks like. I think this actually would, and I like that, honestly. Even though it's a lightweight coverage, it is giving thick a little bit. And I don't know, I feel like I still want that little extra insurance, if that makes sense. So let me make sure I don't touch my light colored jeans with this. But I actually like this. Like, this is my actual skin tone. I could do this. I think I could do this. Okay, Studio Makeup, I see you, girl. So this, like I said, retails at $35. So the next thing I got is the Eloise Beauty Get Glamming Body Glow. Okay, so that's this. This is the packaging that it came in. And this is not opened. And it's in Champagne Rich. And so while I'm trying, you got something to open it. Okay, oh, so this is the Eloise Get Gleaming Body Glow Illuminator. This is what it is giving. And let's try this out as well. Let's see, y'all. So you see I still have my skin tint on, so I'm just gonna put this on top of it. Okay, so this is the color that it gave. That skin tint, this is the hand without the skin tint. This is with the skin tint. And let's just rub this in and see what it's giving. I do see a glow. And ironically, it did this almost the same thing as the Sol de Janeiro. But I definitely see a glimmer on here. So this is the hand without it. This is the hand with it. So I'm liking that. I'm liking that. So this retails at $38, and it does say it's a non-sticky and lightweight luminizer that can be applied to all areas on the face and body for a dazzling, buildable glow. And it's transfer proof with ultra sparkly reflects to radiate your skin. I like this. So the next thing we got is the Illuminati Cosmetics Liquid Luxe Lip Gloss. And so that is this right here. So this is the packaging. I love the packaging, but I am not like a person that tries out a whole lot of lip glosses. So I don't know. I actually don't feel like trying to break my nails to open this to see what it looks like. But it's giving like a corally clear color, because it's definitely not that. You can see that it's a gloss. This retails at $21. It says, dare to wear alone or on top of another gorgeous lip color. This luxurious lip gloss adds a beautiful shimmer and shine to your lips and elevates your look day and night. So that is this. This would be pretty to pull out while you out on a little date or something. This looks like royalty a little bit. And like I said, that retails at $28. So the last and final item from the April box, remember y'all, this is April, we ain't got to May yet, is the Kinder Beauty Kinder Glow Highlighting Palette. So this is a highlighter. So this is the box that it came in. This retails at $15, y'all. This is the box that it came in. And it has 3 colors in it. So this is the color. I think this is really, really pretty. The packaging is gorgeous. And let's see if we can open it. Y'all, I took my nails off, like my acrylic nails off, just to give myself a break for a little bit. So I have like a slight manicure going on. This glow is really pretty. I'm really liking it, y'all, from the Eloise. All right, so these are the 4 colors that they have. And I'm gonna try them on with my finger. So this one right here, I don't know when I would use this one, but because it's very silver. I don't know if you can see it. It's very silver. This is this one. I could do that one for like just for a regular gold right here. Let's see, these 2 at the bottom will probably be my faves. Okay, so that's all 4 colors. This is what they look like. There is 1, 2, 3, and the last one that was dark brown is more of like a bronzer. So it says this palette contains 3 universally flattering colors and 1 marble highlighter. So I'm guessing that was the first color. The talc-free buttery formula practically melts onto skin, granting a beautiful luminous look with opalescent pearls and a velvet texture. This compact size makes it easy to travel and allows for an on-the-go glow. So I think that I do like this, and I would definitely use this product. So I'm gonna go ahead and put everything back in my box now until I put it out into my beauty routine. But yeah, those are all the products that I got in April, and I hope that you guys got some insight on what I typically get in my BoxyCharm palettes month to month. So it seems like universally I always get a palette. So I'm thinking of doing my favorite eyeshadow palettes from BoxyCharm. Let me know if that's something that you guys will be interested in the future. Yeah, just let me know. I'm interested in hearing from you. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Do not forget, now is the time that if you have not already, and if you've gotten this far, please smash that like button, that subscribe button, and that notification bell so that you don't miss a video, so that we can get my channel to 1,000 likes. I know you want to be here, so go ahead and subscribe. I will see you guys in the next video.